Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A bank offers 0.15% annual simple interest rate for Mrs. Santos' deposit. How much interest will be earned if $2 million is deposited in her savings account for 1.5 years? So the principal value is given to us and that is given as the principal, let's say P, is given as $2 million. So $2 million can be written as this. So this is $2 million. Now rate of interest is given. So rate of interest R, let's say, is given as 0.15%, and also the time T is given to us as 1.5 years. Now what we have to find out is simple interest. Therefore clearly we can find out the simple interest, or let's say SI, by the formula principal multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by time. Now the principal amount is given as 2 million. So let us write this, multiplied by the rate of interest, that is 0.15%, percent means divide by 100, and the time is given as 1.5 years. Now if we simplify this, then we'll get the interest as $4,500, which is option C. Therefore we can say that the answer is option C.